Hi, my name is Dr. Doug Lindsey, and I'm the coordinator of brass and trumpet professor here at Cantabile State University. Today, I'm going to be playing the 11th and 12th GMEA Etudes for you. I hope you enjoy. Our first etude is the Andante Cantabile, more lyrical etude. On this one, I wanted to make sure that I was really familiar with my key of A major, that I had great spots for my breaths all marked and practiced, and that I paid attention to the many dynamics and accents that are in this piece. Some things to look out for when you prepare this etude. I want to make sure that every attack is beautiful, and I try to get the breath to help with that attack and to help with the initial sound. Take time to really understand how the breath influences the color of the sound and the attack of the note. Another area to be very careful about are the dynamics and making sure that you're really following and making sure the fortes come out of the texture versus the pianos. Many of the phrases start quite soft and then grow to forte each time. So I like to pick the forte phrases that I wanted to bring out the most, and I especially brought those out more. So for instance, the one in the very end, I maybe brought that out like 10 or 15% more, kind of our final forte, that final hurrah. The final thing you want to look out for is just pacing, making sure that you're taking your time, you're staying with that tempo, you're taking great breaths, and you're staying nice and relaxed. The second etude is more technical. It's a fast waltz, and you have to make sure to keep the tempo fairly steady. On this one, it's marked staccato throughout, and I was making sure that I didn't play it quite so staccato that I ruined the line of the phrase, but I wanted to make sure it was staccato enough where I captured the lightness of the piece in general. Some big things to look out for are those dynamic shifts, the dance-like quality, and making sure that when you take the breath, you're taking it in an appropriate way to play the range, to play the phrase, and to get the color of sound that you're trying to achieve. This one's a lot of fun. I suggest slurring it first to make sure that the line of your sound is really engaged. Once you have that at a fairly slow tempo, I would recommend that you bump that tempo up just by a few clicks each week. And then once you're ready, start adding the articulation to it and make sure that your line and your articulation are following the wonderful dance-like quality you're trying to set out. I hope you found this video helpful in your preparation for GMEA. If you have any questions about the KSU Trumpet Studio or the KSU School of Music, I hope you'll check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and go Owls!